If you're choosing between Avalonia UI and .NET Maui, this isn't just UI versus UI. It's custom rendering versus native controls. So, which one actually has the better UI? Let's break it down. Avalonia UI is a fully custom rendered UI framework. It draws every pixel itself, similar to Flutter, which means your app looks identical across all platforms: Windows, macOS, Linux, mobile, even web. But here's the catch. It doesn't feel native by default. You have to design everything yourself, and tooling/ecosystem is still smaller. .NET Maui, built by Microsoft, takes the opposite approach. It uses native UI controls on each platform, so your app automatically looks like a real Android or iOS app without extra work. The downside is inconsistency. Because it relies on platform components, UI can behave differently across devices, and you often need platform-specific fixes. So the real difference is this. Avalonia gives you full control and consistency, while Maui gives you native look with less effort. From real developer feedback, Avalonia just works consistently, no platform quirks. Maui is better if you want native mobile apps. So which UI is better? Choose Avalonia UI if you want pixel-perfect consistency, deep customization, and strong desktop UI control. Choose .NET Maui if you want native-looking mobile apps with easier integration into platform features. Bottom line, Avalonia has the better UI system in terms of control and consistency. But MAUI has the more practical UI for mobile apps because it feels native out of the box. And a better choice depends entirely on whether you prioritize control or native experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.